Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Apidog step by step. We'll cover API design, testing, debugging, and documentation so you can manage your API workflow efficiently in one platform. As modern software development relies heavily on APIs, developers need reliable tools to design, test, and manage them efficiently. Apidog has emerged as an all-in-one platform that simplifies every stage of the API life cycle, making it a go-to solution for developers, QA engineers, and technical teams. Whether you're building RESTful services, testing endpoints, or generating documentation for your team or clients, Apidog helps you do it faster and with greater accuracy. Its user-friendly interface combines design, testing, mocking, and documentation into a single platform, eliminating the need to juggle multiple tools. In this video, we'll walk you through Apidog's core features, explain how it can accelerate your development workflow, and show why it's becoming a top choice for modern API teams. So for its key features and benefits, first is the unified API design and testing workspace. Apidog allows you to design API structures using a clear visual interface. You can define endpoints, request methods, headers, parameters, and responses, all while linking them to live environments for immediate testing. This eliminates the gap between design and execution, allowing developers and testers to collaborate in real time. Another key feature is the built-in API mocking. Even before your backend is fully developed, you can simulate API behavior using Apidog's built-in mocking feature. This helps front-end developers and testers work in parallel, reducing development time. This accelerates front-end development and allows early validation of UI components and API interactions. Another key feature is the auto-generated documentation. Apidog automatically generates interactive API documentation based on your defined endpoints, parameters, and schemas. The docs are visually clean and easy to share with internal teams or external partners. This saves time and ensures documentation stays up to date with your latest API definitions. No more manual edits. Another key feature is the powerful API testing capabilities. You can create and run test cases for your APIs directly within Apidog, supporting multiple environments and variable injection. Tests can be automated and reused across projects. This streamlines the testing process and helps catch issues early by simulating real-world usage scenarios. Another key feature is the collaboration and version control. Apidog supports team-based collaboration with role-based access, project sharing, and change tracking. Version control ensures you can roll back or track edits made to the API schema. This enhances team productivity while preventing errors from conflicting changes or undocumented modifications. Another key feature is the multi-environment support. You can manage multiple environments, for example, development, staging, and production, within API Dog using dynamic variables and environment-specific configurations. This allows seamless switching and testing across different stages of deployment without manually editing endpoint values. So why is API Dog a great choice? API Dog stands out in 2025 as a modern, integrated solution for managing the full API life cycle, from design to deployment. Unlike legacy tools that focus on a single function, API Dog merges design, mocking, testing, and documentation into one clean interface. It's ideal for agile teams practicing continuous delivery and DevOps workflows. Whether you're building microservices, SaaS products, or enterprise platforms, API Dog makes API collaboration intuitive and efficient. With native support for REST and a roadmap expanding into GraphQL and gRPC, it's a scalable choice for evolving architectures. The platform is also beginner-friendly, with minimal setup required and clear onboarding flows, making it accessible to junior developers while powerful enough for senior engineers. So basically, managing APIs doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With API Dog, you can design, test, mock, and document your APIs in one unified workspace without jumping between tools or writing extra code. Whether you're a developer, tester, or API product owner, API Dog gives you the tools you need to streamline collaboration, improve code quality, and accelerate delivery. So if you're ready to modernize your API workflow and simplify lifecycle management in 2025 and beyond, API Dog is a smart, future-ready choice. So get started with API Dog today and transform the way your team builds and maintains APIs. So if you need more information about API Dog, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned. And of course, the pricing section, you can also view it right here. So they have different plans or different pricing plans that has also a bunch of different features included. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Apidog to design, test, and document APIs more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical software, development, and technology tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.